Happy Friday. It is December 14th of 2018, and this is a private Bitcoin cryptocurrency index update for subscribers. Let me start by saying we have waited a long time for this point in time. A door to a new financial era is about to be opened next week. If you have had a chance to review our prior videos that we've posted since the month of August, you will know that there are 4 seasons. First, that began in the summertime. The summer season has ended. That season was where chaos was expected to begin. If you look around currently, you will see incredible chaos going on in our world. Before this fall season comes to an end, which is on December 20th, expect incredible changes to hit our world. In our update from yesterday, I presented what is called a life run pattern. These patterns that occur are extremely rare, and the reason they are extremely rare is because they occur within nature at incredibly important points in time when a market will shift from a bear cycle to a bull cycle. For a cycle to change from a long-term bear cycle to a long-term bull cycle, there must be something that occurs within the world in terms of news or events. So what this is telling us, and looking at the cycle right here, you will see that beginning on Monday, as early next week, we're supposed to see a price reversal up, and then beginning as winter begins here on the 21st, this overhead resistance line is expected to break. Now it could break early, but do expect by the end of next week, Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies are going to have a lot of fire underneath them, and they're going to be going vertical after all these months of price suppression. So looking at the historic cycle, you'll notice that the life run pattern that we discussed yesterday in the update is a 2 up, 6 down. You'll notice we have 2 strong up days here in the historic cycle. Same thing happened here with Bitcoin. And then that is followed specifically by a flush pattern of 6 straight down days. You'll notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then that completes the life run pattern. And so this exactly happened here, end of November into the start of December. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a completionary low at 0.6. Now, once this pattern is complete here, you'll notice a few days of sideways action is expected and normal. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today's the 5th day sideways. So beginning next week, as early as Monday, we should see a strong price reversal up. And this price reversal is the start of a long-term bull market that's going to continue for years. Now, this is correlating beautifully with the stock market because we are expecting still a stock market plunge very early next week, likely Monday, latest Tuesday. No bull market is going to begin in the cryptocurrencies or gold or silver for the simple fact that the world must lose faith and confidence in the current monetary system of paper, of fiat paper. And so if the markets plunge early next week, this is the fuel that Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies need for the world to start to move into cryptocurrencies and out of paper assets. Break the stock market, and Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies begin their bull market for years to come. So we are sitting at an incredible precipice here in terms of times. Whatever happens this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, remember these are Monday through Friday charts. So market might push a little up on Saturday or down back again on Sunday. Whatever it happens, we might see a little push lower. It doesn't matter. These are the great entry points right here, right now, for Bitcoin, Litecoin, and some of these stronger alternate coins. So very important point in time the world sits at right here. It's important to be positioned. Personally, I've been adding all week. I added again last night and this morning. So again, I personally have added right here because of what I'm seeing. I don't think there's going to be another opportunity like this for years to come. So this is the point in time to be entering positions. And then as next week comes, we should see a price breakout vertical. And then by the end of the week, we should see price acceleration as winter begins on the 21st and as fall ends. So excitement coming next week. We do have a cycle high here coming in on approximately the 10th. There will be one more push higher after this January 10th high. Let's scroll over to the next page. Please do review the alternate coins. There are some very strong coins in here that will outperform Bitcoin because they've been taken down much further than Bitcoin. So there are some very strong coins that you might want to consider to making sure you are well positioned in right here, right now. Then lastly, this page here, we've had this cycle chart here for a long time. So we got from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So remember, we called this exact top. We called that exact top. And the markets have been rolling down. So all we're missing here is this break of support line right here. Once this downsloping neckline breaks, we should see that by Monday, markets will plunge straight down. And this plunge here is the trigger that Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies need. This will be the loss of faith and confidence in paper, in the stock market, and in paper specifically, probably even the dollar as well. So we might see all the paper assets begin to plunge early next week. So by the end of next week, fall ends. And as fall ends, the world as we know it is supposed to have come to an end, and a new era of time is expected to begin with the start of winter. So price targets here, we'll see how far the markets can fall. And I do hope that your friends and family are out of the markets. Again, this is a very, very critical time for our world. This next week is supposed to be epic. So may God bless you and your family. Be well, and we will talk soon again.